How to fix Battlefield 6 lag error. So if you want to boost your FPS and stop stuttering instantly on your Battlefield 6, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your command prompt. Search for CMD, then right click on it and then go with run as administrator and it will take you to this kind of interface. Just click on yes. And here you need to enter a command, which is ipconfig space /flush DNS and then hit the enter. This command clears your DNS cache, which can often fix lag and connectivity issues in online games. If the lag continues, then it might be related to your graphics driver. For that, you need to open up your AMD or NVIDIA GeForce Experience for NVIDIA users. And you can check for any driver updates and install the latest version. By keeping the updated graphic drivers, it helps eliminate stuttering and improves overall performance. If you're still experiencing the lag, then you can try optimizing the game settings directly. For that, you need to search for Battlefield 6 in your EA app or game launcher. Like for example, I'm using Steam. And then you can go with your library section. After that, go and select your Steam, right click on it, and then go with properties. After that, you will find an option of verify integrity of game files. You need to go and verify that. After that, you need to go with browse, which will be in the top, and then go with .exe file of your Battlefield. Once you find you need to right click on it, go with properties. Then you need to go with the compatibility section and go with disable full screen optimizations. Run this program as an administrator. After that, go with apply and OK and launch your game again. This should significantly reduce lag and stuttering, giving you a smoother gameplay performance. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.